welcome back to the Spoonie Stitcher channel. I'm Shannon the Spoonie Stitcher. We're here for the hook review that was requested by my viewers. This is the BeCraftee kit, and I'm going to review it, so let's just get right into it. Okay, so let's get a look at this cute little kit right here. This is the BeCraftee. Have fun and be happy. So we have about, I'll get all these hooks out in a minute, and we have a little gauge right here and some extras, and we'll get all that out. Let's look at the hooks first. I'm just going to grab a random one. Okay, we have a boy style thumb rest, nice cushion grip. Yeah, that's pretty comfortable. Yeah, I think that's good. Okay. We've got the number is embedded in, so that's good. So it's an I9 or a 5.5 millimeter. We have sizes 6, 5.5, 5, 4.5, 4, 3.5, a 3.25, a 2.75, and a 2.25. Oh, that's nice. Let's look at this one. Let's look at the 2.75. Yeah, these are really smooth. I see potential for this. Okay, nice. Now, while I'm getting this stuff out, I got this kit because it was one of my Amazon recommendations. And I thought I would try it. I do like that this is in there. That's really nice. Little place to put your notions. Let's put this to the side. We have my favorite kind of travel scissors. Hallelujah. Locking stitch markers. Plastic needles. You can replace those with something else. Okay, a tailor's tape measure, and then two things for knitting, and a knitting row counter, but you can totally use this for crochet. You just turn it, it's fine. Okay, so, let's see the scissors. I bet they're great. Usually this kind are. So if you don't know, this kind is you pull it apart. Oh, that's a little stiff, that's okay. Some of them are a little stiff and they get better with time, and then they become scissors. So let's see how it cuts. Very nice. I think those are nice. And then you just push it back together. Yeah, see, it's a little stuck. Sometimes they get a little stiff. They get looser with use. Sorry, that's what I was trying to say. Locking stitch markers. These look great. They look completely normal, like regular locking stitch markers. These are for knitting, by the way. Yeah. This is a tailor's tape measure. So usually used to like help you with garments and stuff for sewing. This is a row counter for knitting. You put this on your knitting needle and you turn it as you go. And plastic needles. Now, if you don't know my little story about how plastic needles are not the greatest, they are actually good to travel with regardless, because even if you don't like them, they're great to travel with, because if you lose them, you won't be sad. So do I think that these are good notions for a travel kit? These are not needed. There are better kinds, but I mean, if you're in a pinch, it's not bad. So I'll say yes. No, yes, yes, yes. Okay. 4 out of 7 items. Not bad. Let's look at the hooks, because that's why we're here, right? That's why we're really here. Oh, yes, and of course it comes with a hook gauge, except, oh, nope, it's a needle gauge. This is for knitting. So, yet again, another knitting thing. That's okay. Let's see. Let's test the 4.5. got my little sample piece here. Okay, let's see how it goes. Okay, very smooth. Yeah, all right. Let's see how we do with the treble crochet. Oh, well, my yarn's not helping me. There we go. Sorry about that. Okay. Okay, well, the first one's always a little rough. Let's try again. Okay, all right. A little bit of stiffness, but it's really not that bad. Yeah, I think it's pretty good. Okay, let's try a regular double here. Okay, yeah, that one went fine. That's fine too. I think these are a yes. I really do. Okay, so we've got a place to put our notions. That's a plus. We've got scissors, stitch markers, needles, extraneous things we don't need, but some things we do. A place for everything. I do love that. Organization, yay. And we've got a good number of sizes here. I mean, you've got your tiny hooks all the way to some decent size and regular hooks. We don't have any of the really big sizes, but that's okay. For a travel set, I think it's pretty nice. I do like the case. That's very nice. It's a nice hard case. The hooks seem to work very nicely. They're all smooth. I don't feel any kind of residue on any of them, which is good. So I say it's a yes for the set, but let's talk about price. Let's see if price has anything to do with my opinion. Okay, so this is the price. And honestly, I do think it's a little overpriced for what you get. I do believe it's a little overpriced. However, you know, Black Friday, Cyber Monday, and Prime Day are all happening very soon. So, you know, put it in your wish list and see if it goes down. Of course, you can always use Honey, which is a wonderful browser extension. I'm not sponsored by them, but I'd love to be, which will also help you save money. So if you can get it for a smaller price, yeah, I'd say this is a good travel set. I like it. Okay. All right, so thank you all for joining me for this little mini review of this hook set with notions. And I hope you come back for any other video I decide to put out. Anyway, please remember to like, share, and subscribe to my channel and turn on your notification bell so you know every time I post a new video. And come on back for all kinds of videos on here. Always check out my playlists. I've got a lot. So remember, life happens, yarn helps, and spoonies can stitch it up too. Bye.